What's up? Alright, today we're gonna be running some errands, so holy sh! Inside Office Depot right now, trying to look for another folder to hold my files for my kids. Gotta get their transfer paper ready. Alrighty, let's go check out the school. Stay walking through Ala Park to go get some paychecks. Yes sir, beautiful day today here. Staying in the building for LVH. Alright, next stop, or the RMI consulate here in Honolulu. Gotta drop off some stuff. Big shout out to Kabok E. Thanks for being a fan and a friend, man. Mission complete for the day. Heading back. Let's go. Man, one thing I like about Hawaii is all these stuffs are so fresh. Alright, bro, it's so good. I guarantee you, I'm being one tourist over here. Right now, I stay by Central School. Wow. Yeah. Awesome. I guarantee I stay right in front of Central School, bro. Unreal. Whew. Good times over here. Oh, look at these tall buildings. Downtown is always so busy. Whew. Let's go. Downtown, baby.